I just got my May FabFitFun beauty edit. So if you want to see what I chose and hear my thoughts, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm alone because, I don't know, Bandit and Dexter are in another room where it's probably cooler than this room. And Chloe's still at school, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so FabFitFun, still, I think, some rocky beginnings. I did notice that I had not posted my February one, so, which was my first box. It was my second box, but really my first, because my first one got lost, and I was really excited about that one. The February box I was pretty happy with. I was pretty happy with the choices, so I think I'm gonna post that for you guys. In case you're interested to see like what that was. This time around, I again was not super excited with some of the choices, but still for $29.99, you're still getting a heck of a bargain. So I'm going to put that out there. What I don't like is that the choices are limited, and sometimes when customization opens, things are already sold out, which they're not sold out. They just either there's a glitch or they haven't secured enough of the item. I'm not really sure, but there is that's happening. I think though that they're on the right track, and I think they can get it together. But let's go over what we got. Okay, here's your little sneak peek, and you get 4 items. So there are 4 categories that you can choose from. So from one of the categories, I chose the Molten Brown Sunlit Clementine and Vetiver Bath and Shower Gel. So I do have another one of those in, I don't know, it's blue, and it smells really nice. Oh, this one's very nice too. All right, so next from First Aid Beauty were the Facial Radiance Pads, and I don't know, I think like I wasn't excited about much in this category, so I just grabbed these. I don't remember. Then from Thrive Cosmetics, I have their Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick, and this is in the shade Tara. So that's a real pretty shade. And then last by Kosas, I have the Blush is Life in the shade Wavelength, which is a Juicy Peach. Now, I love this brand. I love this brand. These are both cruelty-free brands. There is how it looks. Ooh, she is bright, but I did put a lot in. You can buff it in, and it gives it just like a nice sun-kissed, glowy. It's got like a little bit of sparkle in there too. So beautiful. So, you know, I mean, I am happy with the products I chose. I just would like to see a little bit more choice. They did have like a Kosas lip liner. I'm not a big lip line person though. I would like to see some of their eyeliners. Now that I would be really excited to see. You know, I don't ask for much. Just a Kosas eyeliner would be nice, right? More hair products maybe. You know, I love the hair products. But let me know your thoughts. Again, I do think it's worth the $29.99. I'm just not 100% sure that they're where I would like them to be. But it's new. So I'm going to cut them some slack and keep on getting it and see where it goes. All right. Well, if there's a box you want me to try, let me know down below. And if I can swing it, I will feature it. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. There's my boy Bandit. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Totally free to subscribe here. And hopefully I'll see you soon.